We're diving into a full review of the Fitbit Versa 4, the latest addition to Fitbit's smartwatch lineup. Design and build. The Versa 4 keeps it simple and stylish. It features a lightweight aluminum case, a bright 1.58-inch AMOLED touchscreen, and a physical button that returns after being removed in the previous generation. It's slim, comfy to wear all day and night, and comes in a variety of colors like graphite, rosewood, and pink sand. The quick-release bands are easy to swap out, so you can dress it up or down as you like. Display. The display is crisp, vibrant, and very responsive. You get always-on display support, and visibility under direct sunlight is excellent. While the bezels are still a bit thick, most users won't mind thanks to the deep blacks of the AMOLED panel. Battery life. Battery life is another win here. The Versa 4 delivers up to 6 days of battery life, and with fast charging, a 12-minute top-up gives you a full day's worth of usage. If you enable always-on display or use GPS heavily, expect that to drop to around 2 to 3 days. Overall, if you're focused on fitness and health tracking, it's one of the better options out there. It looks good, feels great on the wrist, and gives you detailed, actionable data. Thank you so much.